The machine features a 4-station electrode top post, compatible with 25x25 mm cutting tools. Ensure front and pieces tool change, okay? The tailstock Steven has a diameter of 17.5 mm, an empty 5 tubes, and offers a drive distance of 250 mm for a great sport joining machine. The control system is powered by GSK Guangzhou CNC controller, delivering reliable performance and easy operation. With a 400 mm wide gallery, the machine provides excellent rigidity and stability throughout the cutting process. The spindle speed reaches up to 1600 rpm, meeting the demand of a wide range of turning applications.